What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a compound clip in Clipchamp. So the first thing that you need to do is to bring your videos and audio that you want to group together to the timeline. So let's do that. For example, this video, then I'm going to add this one on top of it, but I'm going to replace it. For example, for this tutorial I will put it this way, and also let's add an audio to the timeline. Then to make a compound clip out of these three lines, all you have to do is to select all of them like so. Then you're going to click on them, and as you can see here you have the option to group. Also you can use Ctrl plus G. So let's do that, and as you can see now our videos are into a compound clip. So let's see it. And also to ungroup the group, all you have to do is to select the group, then you're going to right click on it and you're going to click on ungroup. And as simple as this, you just reverse the compounded clip. So guys, this was the tutorial. Thanks for watching and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel.